Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to be doing one or two, maybe three example solves in this video, and I'm going to try and explain my full thought process. So mainly the things I look for are just ergonomic solutions, and I try to go for a low move count, but yeah, mostly I'm focusing on good ergonomics. So immediately the first thing I see is the star piece, this, and this one. This is a nice block. I want to try build an X star, so I'm going to look for the edge. It's in a weird position, but I think I can do something. So first of all, I might do something like this, and then we can connect the star or this edge with the star piece. If we solve this, then this goes down here, and if you just do an F, we can move it down. And when I bring this to this layer, it's going to make this quite an easy case, kinda, and I can solve the block like this. Now here I'm just going to go into this pair before I solve these two star pieces because it's right in front of me. This is just a 3x3 solution. Then rotate. While I'm rotating here, I see this edge. So what I would do in a solve is I'd probably do something like this. But here what I see is actually if you do F here, you get this kind of pair, which I probably wouldn't see in a solve, but it is interesting, and I do want to try doing this in my solves more often. So here I can create this block in one move and solve it. And I have this pair, so I'm just going to solve this, keeping in mind that the star piece is back here. This is a 3x3 solution. Move this up, and then just insert this. Now the pair is in this kind of area, so I'm going to rotate. It's here, so just pair it up like this. Now I want to keep gray on top, but I don't really like doing DR moves in my solve, so I'm going to rotate down like this. Just insert. Then here I don't want this to get stuck in the bottom slot, so I'm going to move this down like this, and then insert orange like so. Yeah, now here I've got this block. It's a bit awkward to solve, but I'm just going to solve it. So I'm going to do this, make the block R2 prime so I can put this back in and then insert like that. I'm going to solve this back pair now, and I can just do that like 3x3 with a hedge. I don't see anything, so I'm just going to move this here and rotate. Still don't see anything. Okay, now there's this piece, so I'm just going to do an L move, swag L. Move this down again, and then bring the slot up, U prime, F, R prime. Here, I should be going for pseudo probably, but I see this edge first, and the other edge is all the way back here, which is kind of bad. So I'm just going to insert this, rotate to the left, and solve this pair. Yeah, I'll probably just do this like so. So take this out and then insert into the back. Here, I want to pair this piece with this piece. I know that just from doing a few solves, I know that if I want to pair this up, I just have to do an L2 like so. And now we have this as a pair. And this is a common insert. When you want to go into the bottom slot, just move it up, pair this up, and then go like so. Then I'll cancel into inserting this piece. Here I do have this pair and this edge, so I'm going to do pseudo probably, or block building. I'll take this pair out just because I don't want it to be awkward. Then I'll insert this, and then to solve this block, I'm going to do R prime, F prime, R, and here I don't like this slot, this corner being in the slot, so in a solve I'd probably just move it here. And then for this case, you should have, or I probably should have cancelled, but I didn't see that. I wouldn't see that in a solve, I mean. and then insert, rotate, and the last face is kind of just I'd probably either do blue or red first. I just saw blue, so I'd put it down here. Then for this, I know the edge is misoriented, so I'd have to rotate. Actually, all the edges are now oriented, which is nice. So I'll just solve this like 3 by 3. This case, just back stuff. Then pre-mover, Ola, and PLL. Okay. So that's the first one. I think I'll just do one more. Yeah, it's been a long while since I've done example solves, so I think it's good for me to show my new solutions. Right, so here I see this star piece solved. This is 2 moves away, or 3 moves away. Then this, and this. So I'll do F and solve this. Then I'd probably solve these two like so. Move red up. I don't want to chop this corner down here, and yeah, so I'll just do this. I don't see many things, so yeah, just looking around, I see this. I'm just going to pair this up like so. Then this pair. Okay, I'm gonna take it out like this. Then again, this sort of insert, it's really common. So just bring the slot up, U prime, R, U2, R2 prime. This is just a 3 by 3 solution. Here I've got 1 move pair. So again, yeah, I know that if I want to pair these up, I just have to do this. This is kind of an awkward situation to be in because it's on the opposite side of where the slot is. So I'm going to do something like this, just to bring it closer. Then I'll have to rotate and do this kind of R2 prime back insert. Here I have these two, so I know I'll have to move this over here because the green is here and I want them to be on the same kind of thing. And then just do this and insert. Here I see this edge, so I'm going to solve this. Kind of a bad case for block building here, but I'm going to do this and cancel into solving green. Then this is just a 3 by 3 solution, so pair them up like so. Solve. Here U prime L will pair these two up, then insert into the back. Now I saw this edge while doing the pair, so I'm going to move it up and then rotate. Here there's 2 ways to solve this, either like so or like this. I'm just going to do it like this because I just like it. And then to pair these up, I'm going to do this. So again, just L prime here, then cancel in solving this block. This is a 3 by 3 solution. Solve this. Then U prime F prime to pair these up. Solve these, and this is just an insert. This is the join, but I'm going to do it from up here so I don't have to rotate down. Here I'm going to do blue. Yeah, none of the edges are oriented, or this one's oriented, but these two aren't. I'm still just probably going to do something like this because yeah, I don't like rotating. Then insert. Then I don't like lefty moves, so I'm going to rotate here and solve. Then OLL, PLL.